Okay, good morning, guys, and welcome to another episode of our money analysis session. As we all know, we're basically just looking for opportunities in the market, and you guys get to see my trading strategy, how I get my entries and exits. So let's get started proper. Fundamental wise, the only high impact news we have was by 2:30, that's on AUD, and then the rest is just mid impact and low impact news. So today is just it's looking like it's going to be a calm day, yeah? So let's jump on the markets. Let's see what we can get. So, this is AUD USD, yeah? So let's look at this one before H. So if you look at AUD USD, yeah, the most recent market structure, it was more or less like price was in the range, yeah? Created this high, we created this low, then we sort of created a lower high, then we created a lower low here. Price now pushed up small to create another lower high, and then more or less another lower low here, but then it's not really clear. Do you get? So it's in a downtrend currently. So now let's go to the 1H. Let's look for what we can actually get, or let's make sense of this 1H. So price basically created a lower low yesterday. We had this whole small retest here, a lower high, a lower low, lower high, and then price has created another lower low here. Now, ideally, I would say, okay, let's plot our fib from here to here and then wait for price to touch that Fibonacci level, that 0.618 level for a sell. Let me see. That's basically what we can look out for this morning. Yeah. Let's just see how it's going to play out. Why? Yeah. Let's see. This is what we're going to do. So we're bearish right now. Price has created a lower low. It's going up to create a lower high. So that's our Fibonacci range. Yeah. So we'll enter at the 0.618. Our stop loss just above the 0.79, and then we target down here. So let's see how it's going to play out. That's what we have currently. So now, what if we don't get that sell? What if we don't get that sell and then price just comes and then breaks above here? Then we know that we're having a shift in market structure. From there, we'll be looking for a retest and then a continuation, basically. So let's just watch. If price will come and break this high, then we'll look for a retest and then a continuation. So let's just sit back and then see how everything is going to play out. Then the next one is NZD-USD. Now, NZD-USD is quite tricky. So just like AED-USD, yeah, NZD-USD were bearish yesterday. We created a lower low, lower high, a low, another lower low, lower high, and then price created another lower low, and then now it's pushing back up. Do you get? Now, what we can do, let me see. Has price reached the Fibonacci range yet? Okay, price just tapped the 0.618. Now, we're not going to enter immediately. What we're going to sit back and watch out for is, can we see a shift in market structure on this 5-minute time frame? So price has tapped into the 0.618. That's our zone. Let's wait and see if we can get what that reversal. So if at any point you see a shift in market structure, then we'll jump on the sell. But if we don't see any, we leave it. Same thing with AUD-USD. Please, we're looking for extra confirmation. No extra confirmation, we are not entering. So that's basically what we're using. Yeah, that's what we're doing today. So currently, this one is at the zone, but then we have to wait for that confirmation. Is there any other pair you guys want us to take a look at before we go? Is there any pair you guys want us to take a look at before we go? Like, okay, let's see. GU, GBP, USD. Wahala. Wow. What is this? So this is what GU is doing, yeah? I mean, this is what GU did. So yesterday, GU was more or less like we're creating high, low, higher, high. Do you get? We failed to create a higher low. And then price broke the last one to the downside. So actually broke this higher low to the downside. So in this case, it's looking more or less as if we now shifted to a bearish market, but this market. Let's plot our fib and see where will our 0.61 align. Okay, see where our 0.61 it is. It's just at the top there, around here. So what we're going to do is let's wait for price to get into the 0.618 area. Then we'll see if we can get that reversal on the lower time frame. Then we'll jump on this up. But if we don't, then we'll leave it alone. So that's what we can look at for in GU. Currently, the one we'll pay attention to more is NZD because it's on the lower time frame now. So let's see if we can get that shift in market structure. Then we'll jump on it. So, any other pair you guys want us to take a look at?
Can you explain the shift you're talking about? On the 5 minute time frame.
So, right currently, yeah, let me do some issues. So as prices came up here, but it's more or less like price was.
And I'm sorry to interrupt. This is your screen. Sometimes the darkness of the screen doesn't make me see what you're doing sometimes. The background.
Can you see what I'm doing right now? Just increase the brightness on your PC.
Just continue.
Okay, good. So a shift in market structure is basically that whole indication that there's a reversal. So when the market is pushing up, basically, yeah, a shift in market structure means that we're basically looking for price to come back and break any higher low to the downside. You have a high, a higher low. Price, even if it creates another one or it doesn't create, but as long as price comes to break a higher low to the downside, that would be a shift in market structure. So what we're looking for now is price has tapped here, it's starting to push down. We're looking for something, okay, let it go back up, attempt to push up, but then fail to push up and then come to break that low to the downside. You get, so at that point now, I'll be looking for a retest and then a continuation. That's what we'll be looking for.
All right.
Any other question?
Okay. Concerning what I suggested about the prop firm,
Yeah.
like everybody gets in prop firm, then we tread life together and see how we go from there. I don't know if it makes sense.
Okay, I was thinking about something like that, yeah. Anyhow, it's just anytime you guys are ready, you guys should let me. That's the thing.
It's not about you guys now. You're the person that is gonna say, okay, get this account ready. Next month, we're starting off something. Well, if you're saying anyhow, like when you put it up there on the group,
Okay, see, no worries, yeah. Let me see. Before next month, that's before the week runs out, yeah. I will sit down and then see if it's something that is workable. I'll try to come up with a system. If it's workable, then fine, we'll do it. Do you understand?
I know it should be more or less like you're carrying everybody's stuff, you're bearing
Yeah,
everybody's
so it's
burden.
something
But
huge.
in a way,
Mm,
you said
price has already started selling. I don't think we get that shift in market structure. Price has already started selling. Price, price has already started selling. That's one thing with extra confirmation. Sometimes you don't see it.
you just miss a trip.
Yeah. So, anyways, no worries. Yeah, I'll get back to you guys on it. I'll just keep it in mind. I'll take a look at it and see if it's something that we can do very well. Then we'll do it.
But it mustn't necessarily be a very big account. Like it can just be a very small account, a
Yeah,
challenge
I
account,
understand.
maybe
I
less.
understand. No problem. It's something we can do.
Yeah, no challenge. Thanks.
So, is there any other thing? Any other thing you guys want us to discuss?
And this NZD USD, where
Yeah.
you expected to take your check profit,
What? Okay, the trade profit is down here at the zero for the Fibonacci, this one here.
but it's almost there. It's almost
Yeah.
getting there. It's just because I'm looking at it from H1.
Eh?
I say it's almost at the TP. Is it because I'm looking at it from H1? I don't know.
Okay, yeah, see the TP here. This one here. This place my
I
customers.
know.
Yeah.
It's more like it's close. Maybe it's because I'm viewing it from
It's
H1 time
already
frame.
it's already more than like a 1 hour self. It's already more than 1 hour. It's close. It's already halfway
Mm.
there.
Any entry now will be a little bit late because I'm still like maybe it's trying to
No,
retrace or
it's
something.
already too late.
Mm.
Okay, guys. So in the absence of anything, yeah, we'll call it a session, call it a day. So let me see. Let me take a look at ADUSD again. Let me see something. It's I did one thing is I don't like this type of short range. That's why it's very, very weird like this. But let's just see how ADSD will play out. I'm going to set my alert at that 0.618 and see. Let's price get inside. Let's see how it's going to be. Let me set an alert there. So once price gets inside, I'll let you guys know. Anyhow,
Okay.
so in the absence of any other thing, yeah, call it a day. So stay safe, guys, and please, see as the market is slow, don't jump in and do anything crazy. Just calm down, sit back, let your setups come to you. You understand? So I'll catch you guys. I'll catch you guys same time tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Bye. Thanks.